Are you missing a tooth? It is not just a gap, but the bone that was supporting the tooth could slowly be shrinking in size. One way to replace a missing tooth is a dental implant. A dental implant is a titanium screw which is placed within the jawbone. After the healing takes place, a cap is placed over the dental implant and it functions like a natural teeth. Why do many patients prefer dental implants? They function like a normal teeth and they feel like normal teeth, and they do not take the support of adjacent teeth for support. But implants are not for everyone. You need to have good oral health, adequate bone support, and a good oral hygiene for good success of implants. Certain diseases like osteoporosis and smoking can affect the surgical outcome of dental implant surgery. Remember, implants are just one form of replacing your missing teeth. Dentures and bridges are also reliable ways of replacing your missing teeth. The right choice depends upon your oral health. Consult your dentist to find out the best way to replace your missing teeth. Protect your smile. Consult your dentist because every smile deserves the right care.